Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading company offering 3D scanning services in Itanagar. With the advancement of technology, 3D scanning has become an essential tool in various industries such as architecture, engineering, manufacturing, and healthcare. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of accurate and detailed scanning solutions, and therefore, provides top-notch services to cater to the needs of its clients. 3D scanning is a process that captures the physical attributes of an object or space and converts it into a digital format. This technology allows for precise measurements, intricate details, and realistic representations of objects or spaces. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd utilizes state-of-the-art equipment and software to ensure high-quality scans with exceptional accuracy. The applications of 3D scanning services in Itanagar are vast. In the architectural field, 3D scans can be used for creating virtual tours, designing renovations or additions, and documenting historical structures. Engineers can benefit from 3D scanning by obtaining accurate measurements for reverse engineering, quality control, and prototyping. Manufacturers can use 3D scans to improve production processes, inspect parts for defects, and create precise replicas. In the healthcare industry, 3D scanning can assist in creating custom prosthetics, orthotics, and dental restorations. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd takes pride in offering comprehensive 3D scanning services in Itanagar. In conclusion, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a trusted provider of 3D scanning services in Itanagar. Whether you require scans for architectural designs, engineering projects, manufacturing processes, or healthcare applications, they have the expertise and technology to meet your needs. Contact them today to discuss your project requirements and experience the benefits of their high-quality 3D scanning services. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a renowned company that specializes in providing exceptional 3D scanning services in Itanagar. With their advanced technology and expertise, they offer high-quality scanning solutions to various industries, including architecture, engineering, manufacturing, and product development. Whether you need to capture accurate measurements of objects or create digital replicas for virtual reality applications, Scon Design India has the expertise to meet your requirements. One of the key advantages of availing 3D scanning services from Scon Design India in Itanagar is the level of precision and accuracy they offer. Their state-of-the-art scanning equipment can capture even the finest details of an object, ensuring that the resulting 3D model is an exact replica. This level of precision is crucial in industries such as engineering and manufacturing, where accurate measurements